A linked image featuring many items can only go to one destination. As a result, brands miss engagement, revenue, and insights relating to their products. Scopa's universal tagging platform enables tagging of digital content anywhere. Universal tagging links content to multiple destinations, improving click-through rates, product awareness, and conversions. Here's how it works. Once you paste the URL into the search bar, Scopa will find all images on the web page and let you tag them. Just publish and the tags will go live with automatic tracking. Each tag has individual tracking for enhanced content and product-specific analysis. Tags increase sales and affiliate revenue while simplifying the buyer's journey and improving SEO. Ready to optimize your content? Learn more at scopaanalytics.com.
Hey guys, and welcome to Scopa. Today we're going to be talking about creating a shoppable product tag for your content. This process is super easy and I can't wait to get started. So first off, let's just say we want to tag or edit the tags on the Artisan Maple collection, right? This image on the left-hand side that I'm hovering over. All we have to do is go up to the URL bar, grab the URL that the content lives on, navigate over to the Scopa app, go to the content section to tag content here. From here, all we have to do is paste that URL and grab the image that we want to tag. So here, in this case, we grabbed the image from the page before. If we wanted to create a new tag, all we would have to do is click somewhere on the image and create a new tag. Here, right, you can change a theme to make sure it matches with the rest of the tags on the image or stands out, whatever you'd like to do. But for all intents and purposes, I'm going to go ahead and delete that for now, and let's just focus on the driftwood planter. So what we have to do is click on that tag to edit it, and here we could make the direction point differently. It fits better on the image for whatever reason, and here we can add things like a title, a subtitle, and a destination URL. Here you can see when we add subtitle, it changes the orientation of the text automatically. Additionally, if you wanted to add price, we can also get that in there. Now, here's something really cool. If we go ahead and go to attributes, this is going to be something really important for tracking data in product categories, right? So if we wanted to track this tag's stats and relate it to all tags of a specific color, for example, in this case, color driftwood, we can do that. Or if we want to go over here and go to type or item type, we could go ahead and say this is a planter, right? And by adding that, now not only is this specific tag tracking its own engagement data, but it will also relate it back to the product as well as the color and the item type. Under advanced settings, you can see that we have some visibility options as well as some custom campaign tracking. But we're going to go ahead and click on the preview icon with the eye there. Now we can see what the tags will actually interact like. And if we like what we see, we can go ahead and hit save. Now we publish the tag, so we just have to hit a hard refresh on the page originally, and now when we hover, we can see that our new tag that we edited here is now visible. Thanks so much, and if you have any questions, feel free to check out the FAQ.